Howdy everybody, and welcome back to the channel. It's me, Britt Travy, and today we're taking a look at set number 42179 at 526 pieces, Planet Earth and Moon in Orbit. Now this is part of LEGO's Space line. They've done quite a few of these sets in the last month, which they all look absolutely fantastic, but this one really intrigued me. I'm not super big on Technic sets, but I really like how this one looks. I like how it feels, and I'm gonna build this to the best of my ability and see what I can do. Now, the cool thing about this is you can spin this with this little arm here, and it will rotate and show where the moon and Earth will be positioned around the sun at different times of the year, as you can see with the dates that are on the actual ring. And then the back of the box, it just gives you some functions as far as how the gears work and that the orbit actually turns. So once we get it built, and I show you the actual crank function, I have one of my motor functions. So we're gonna plug this bad boy in and see if we can make this thing rotate super fast. So that'll be fun to do. So stick around, guys, and I'll see you when the build is done. Okay, everybody, we finally have our Earth and Moon in Sun's orbit complete. This is a fantastic build. Like I said, I'm not super big on Technic, so it was a little bit complicated. Not overly complicated. I mean, it doesn't take a lot for you to do. If you see here, we do have sticker elements that represent months, and then as well as the cycles of the moon on this panel here. And that's just so as the moon is rotating and as the Earth is rotating, it gives you a month of year, as well as the current placement of the actual moon as we orbit the sun. Now, the function is very simple. You have a handle here, and you just spin, and it shows the Earth rotating, as well as us orbiting the sun. So this is a really fun feature, and I'm going to back it up. And it's just very slow, so it's fun to get around. You just have to do it very, very quickly. Or, you know, very long time. But yeah, it's very fun. I mean, it's a very educational build. So, you know, it's not a very good display-ish piece, because it's, you know, it's a Technic set that's kind of got a lot of the Technic elements exposed. And it does take a while. So, I mean, you have to really be rotating this thing. But luckily, as I promised, we're going to hook up my power function here to see exactly how fast we can get this thing going. So I did test run this to make sure I could get it to run as it properly should. So we have to remove our handle here, take out this whole rod. Whew, that was tough. And just so we get a little spacing here, we're going to attach this two elements there. And there, boom. So we have our rod, our Technic rod, as well as our power piece here. And we're going to put it into our power piece. And I'm going to hold it. Actually, you know what? I can probably, yep, boom, just like that. And we're going to turn it on. And let's see how it goes. Ready? 2, 1, go. Now, isn't that just awesome? Let's hope it doesn't hit. Yes, it doesn't hit. So, as you can see, that is a really cool function. So if you guys do have one of those power blocks, you can do that. It is a little loud, but it does show a very quick representation of that orbit. So if this is how fast Earth was moving right now, we would probably be slung, which you know how that goes. But that is a pretty cool feature. I hope you guys like that. I took it off my carousel so you guys could be able to see it. Well, let's get it all the way back around so we can finish out where we started. And there we go, back where we started. So, that is the Earth and Moon in orbit around the sun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed me adding the power function to it. I thought that was really cool. It's a short little video, cool little set. If you want it, go get it. If you don't, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. So if you aren't ready, give this video a like. And if you happen to kind of like my content, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. All right, guys, I'll see you next time. Have a good night. Bye-bye.